I'm in a truck, what I got in the truck is all I got. So that's what I got to eat. You know what I'm saying? So if you buy the stuff, then you don't buy at home. You know, I got kids. I got honey buns over here. See, all this stuff everywhere. Like, it's Christmas. There's Christmas cookies, but in the truck, ain't no Christmas cookies in the truck. So you can actually, being a truck driver can actually help you, lose the weight. Believe it or not, 15 minutes a day. You ain't got to run a marathon. You ain't got to have big weights. I have some resistance bands. It don't matter your size, your age. And I do videos on that also, showing you little 15-minute workouts that you can do right there in the truck, whether it's rain, snowing, right there.